In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Freshdesk URL. We'll cover everything from adjusting your primary subdomain to setting up a custom domain. Plus, we'll discuss what you can expect during this process and the steps you should take afterward to ensure a smooth transition. To begin, let's focus on changing your primary Freshdesk subdomain. Typically, your Freshdesk account and agent portal use a URL format like your company.freshdesk.com. Depending on your plan, you can change this subdomain once or perhaps a limited number of times directly from the admin settings. This is a critical step, so let's go through it together. Start by logging into your account as an administrator. Once you're in, navigate to the admin section. From there, head over to Account and choose Helpdesk Settings. In this area, you'll find an option labeled Helpdesk URL. You'll notice an Edit button next to it. Go ahead and click it. At this point, you'll be greeted with a warning message informing you that the URL can only be changed once, or in some plans, you might have a few more chances. This is something to double-check based on your subscription plan. Now, it's time to choose your new subdomain. Remember, there are a few rules you'll want to follow here. Your new subdomain can contain only letters, numbers, and optionally hyphens, but make sure there are no spaces or special characters. Also, it needs to be at least 4 characters long and globally unique. In other words, it shouldn't already be in use by another Freshdesk account. Once you've got a new subdomain in mind, enter it and click Save to apply the changes. A few things to keep in mind. This change takes effect immediately, so it's wise to plan this during low traffic hours to minimize any potential disruption. It's important to know that all agents will be logged out once this change is made, and they'll need to use the newly updated URL to access the portal. So make sure to communicate this update to your team in advance. Another key point to consider is that links associated with older ticket URLs, FAQs, knowledge base articles, and inline images might break or become inaccessible after the change. As a result, you'll want to update any relevant automations, email configurations, webhook callback URLs, and embeds like feedback widgets to reflect the new subdomain. Following these steps carefully will help you seamlessly update your Freshdesk account URL, ensuring both you and your team experience minimal disruption during the transition. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.